Hello everyone, welcome to my course. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set up ESLint in Angular project. So first of all, you should have an Angular project. So if you don't have, you can go to the Angular and then you can create an Angular project in your local computer by utilizing the Angular packages. So I assume that you already having Angular application running on. So the first thing is, now what is ESLint? So you know that with the Angular projects they introduce a package called lint. So if you go into your code base, under here you can see there's a lint. So this is provide us for us to have a good pattern when you are like following a pattern when you are writing a Angular code. So from 2019 onwards they are going to shift from lint to the eslint. So eslint is a separate package which is not aligning to the Angular. You can use for other applications as well. So they are not going to support for the lint further, so they are asking to use the eslint to use in your Angular application. So the first thing is you need to set up your eslint in your Angular application. So I can install this into the dev tools by using this command npm is install save dev eslint. So once this done that, then you have the eslint packages added into the dev dependencies in here, which will take some time to install the package into the application. So once it done that, then we need to use the other packages. So one package I'm going to use is the Prettier. So Prettier is another package which allows you to have a standardized formattings for your JavaScript and TypeScript commands. So using that, with the combination of eslint, we can set up a Prettier rules embedded into the eslint, and then eslint will execute Prettier rules on the eslint platform. So I'll pause this recording. Once this eslint is installed into the application, we'll move on to the next step. So I was able to install the first set of eslint. So you can see that the eslint added into our dev dependencies, and in the next thing is, now we need to add the next command, that the Prettier commands. So I'll install that package as well. So this will make the conflicts resolve, that the eslint rules and the Prettier rules, so those rules will be sometimes get conflict. So to make it prioritize what's the rule that should be applied to the eslint, that will be done using this eslint plugin, this Prettier thing. So then afterward the Prettier rules will be applicable. So I'll pause this recording again. So once it's done, then we'll move back to the next step. So I added those as well. So you can see again in the dependencies, this commands are, these packages are added into there. So then I'll add the next step. So this will be again the Prettier plugin set. So once it done that, then we need to create this eslint-rc.json package. So this is the JSON page that we are going to keep all the rule sets. You can see we have the environment and plugins and how we need to be parser and extended modules, or the rule sets that need to be read by the eslint. So when we read against the code base, so those things will be added in here. So if you're adding some extra plugin into here, you need to extend it, or you need to add it as a plugin, and then if there are any specific rules mentioned, you need to add it in here. So I already copy this name. So take few seconds to install these packages, and once it done that, we can have this new file. So I'll create this new file in the root folder, and then copy this command set and apply in here. So our main goal is to read JavaScript and TypeScript files only. So then the next step is we are going to update our lint location with the new eslint command. So in my package JSON, and lint section, place this. So this will be quickly fix on the JS file, TS file, and it will do the fixing if required, and if it is cannot do auto fixing, it will provide us the issue as well. So I have done that now and install the plugin. So then I can use the npm run lint. So then it will execute the eslint against the JavaScript and TS file and try to fix if there are any quick fixes available, otherwise it will show us the issues. So you can see it's running through my code base, and it will be checked against the JS and TSLint files, and we'll see if there are any issues coming in with this. Okay, so it's executing, still going on, and okay, so I'm getting some few errors, so 7 errors coming. So and then it shows us where the location and what is it about. So I hope you understood how to set up the eslint into your Angular project. So I will stop this session now, and let me know if you have any doubts or issues in this video tutorial. Thank you.